Hi, and thanks for joining Kyocera Accessory Corner. Today we're going to show you installation of the Turtleback leather or nylon case for the Extreme series. Okay, now we're going to show you the installation of your nylon or leather case from Turtleback onto the Extreme series devices. In the kit you'll have an upper and a lower piece for your phone, both with clear vinyl to protect either the keyboard or this one protects the LCD. Take the phone, the upper unit, it slides in. I know this is very tight to do. It's meant to be that way so that it doesn't fall off. But you really just have to shove it in there. So there's the upper piece installed. The bottom one is even harder. And I know that, and a lot of people are saying, well, it doesn't fit. It does fit. You just kind of have to make it work its way down into the case. And the reason for this is so that it doesn't fall off. Later down the road it's going to relax some, the material is going to relax, and it's going to slip off. And you just got to keep pushing it up little by little, and it eventually will go into the case. And there we go. We've got it all the way on. We've got the protective over the keypad, the protective over the LCD. You have this little flap on the back. You turn the holster part. This gets snapped on. You push the holster back, and that's it. You're ready to go. It's ready to be hooked onto your belt. Thanks for joining Accessory Corner. Look for our next series.